The best thing about the standing desk is that I assembled it by myself in under 30 minutes. I have essentially zero skills when it comes to assembly, so I was very impressed that I was able to put this together by myself in a very short amount of time. The brand gifted me this adjustable standing desk to try out, and one thing I loved was the straightforward assembly process. They gave you the instructions and all the tools included. I did have a few screws left over at the end, but I followed the instructions exactly, so I'm assuming that the manufacturer just includes extra pieces in case any pieces get lost. Once assembled, the desk feels surprisingly sturdy for its size. The frame is metal, and the desktop feels very stable, so you can easily use this as a laptop workstation or a rolling utility desk. One feature I really love is the adjustable height. I'm 5'2", but my husband is 6'2", so I love that we can both use this desk and just easily adjust the height. You can raise it or lower it if you want to sit or stand while working, which makes it much more versatile than just a regular desk. To adjust the height, you first have to turn these knobs and loosen it, and then at the bottom, you just unscrew this little piece from both sides. You can easily use the hand wrench they included. Then you can pull the top of the desk and adjust it to the height that you want. And then you pull out that screw and then adjust it where you need it to go. This first clip right here shows it on its lowest setting. I'm 5'2" for reference. I just moved it one ring up. So it was on the lowest setting, and then I just moved up the screw one setting. And then here is the height once I moved it up one setting. But like I said, I'm 5'2", so this height is great for me. As you can see right here, I'm using a laptop stand. This just makes it easier for me to stand and work. But you can definitely just adjust the desk higher. That way you don't have to use this. But I personally like my laptop tilted so I can easily type. So this works best for me. The wheels are also a really nice addition because they make it super easy to just move the desk around whenever you need to. We have carpet right now, and so you can see I'm easily rolling the desk around even on carpet, so it'll be even easier if you have hardwood floors or tile. The wheels do lock, so the desk does not move around whenever you're using it. It's easy to flip up and down to lock and unlock. I could see this working really well as a laptop desk, a small home office workstation, crafting table, or even a portable desk that can move between rooms. The tabletop isn't huge, but it provides enough space for a laptop, notebook, mouse, water bottle, and just a few everyday items that you need. This little area in the back of the desk is great for organizing your cords. I was able to not only assemble this by myself, but also adjust it by myself as well. So it really is easy to operate and use. Overall, if you're looking for a compact standing desk that's easy to assemble, adjustable, and easy to move around, this is a really practical option and I highly recommend.